Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Darkest Nightmare Haunt Year 2020. This is build day, or build vlog number 3. It's probably going to be the last, if not second to last build, because obviously Halloween is really close. So we're going to be finishing everything in this video. Let me show you what I've done. I think I've done a little bit since the last episode. So all of these walls are now complete. I went ahead and put this light up, which is the flickering light. Looks pretty cool, and that is also going to be where the fence goes. So let's go to the first scene. Okay, so in the first scene, you might have seen from my last video, I put the window up. What I also did was put this electrical box up, and this thing I wired with the help of my dad to this step pad right here. So when you step on that, it should go off, which is pretty cool. And I did this because I didn't want it to drain battery. It's also kind of loud, so you can step on that and toggle it on or off. So I'm pretty sure that's about it. I gotta get some lights up. I went ahead and started figuring out how I'm gonna do that. And then over here is something I've been working on, and that is this prop. This is the new PVC prop that I've been talking about. Don't worry, I will do an actual full video on that when it is finished. But yeah, this guy looks pretty cool, the way he looks in the scene. Still have some stuff to do in here though. It's not gonna be black plastic in here. But what I want to do right now is actually finish this guy, which I've been working on, which is the latest PVC prop. So yeah, this prop isn't actually new. It's an update to the PVC prop that I've had for a couple years. Basically, I'm just making it look a whole lot better. The clothes didn't fit on the last one, and it wasn't very tall. So now it's about 6 foot. When it has the head on it, it's about over here, so 6 feet tall now. I extended the torso to make it taller, made the shoulders wider, and then also made the arms longer. Now what I wanted to do was get some posable joints over here, but I think that's going to have to come later. So what I'm going to do right now is just put some pool noodles on all of the limbs to give it some girth, and then I can start fitting some clothes on there. So this should be pretty easy. Let's get to it. So yeah, that's what the pool noodles do. It goes from thin PVC to actually having some muscle. And I might actually do more than one pool noodle on the upper arms, because they're obviously going to be where a lot more muscle is. I'll do that on the shoulders too, and then around the hips. I'm just going to take the pool noodle and wrap it around, kind of like that. And it'll be more exact, but that's just for the pants. On the legs, I don't think you really need to do too much because the pants will just kind of fall down. So you don't really need too much on the legs. And then for the torso, which is what I'm going to do next, is chicken wire. So I'm going to finish all those pool noodles and then I'll show you the chicken wire. Okay, here's how it looks with all the pool noodles on. I do have shoulders. I just took them off right now. Now the hips, I think I'm going to leave them like that. I didn't really plan on them to be looking like that. I think I was just going to wrap a pool noodle around, but that didn't really work. So this should be good. Now for the torso, it's really easy. I just have this chicken wire that we're going to put on it. And I already cut this. It's about the right size. I'm not actually going to do the back. Sometimes I just wrap it all the way around, but I'm just going to leave it open in the back for this one. So let's just put that on. Okay, I got the chicken wire on. Looks pretty cool. But I don't have a shirt yet to put on this guy, so I think we're just going to have to call it here. All we need is just a shirt and then some hands, and I'll put some blood on the shirt, and this guy will be back up and ready to go. So what we need to do in here is put up the backdrop, which is the stone wall backdrop. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. We just have it going on this wall, and then this wall. Yeah, this prop is still in the making. You probably already saw a video on it when it's done, so hopefully it looks good. Anyways, let me get the backdrop on and then we can start working on something else. Alright, so got all the backdrops up. The scene is looking a lot better already. Went ahead and put up the chains as well as a strobe light up there. So this is all running across the tunnel. And that's also connected to that light over there. I think this looks pretty cool. I'm gonna put this guy probably on this wall, hanging up somehow. I think it'll look pretty cool. And then when you turn over here, you're gonna see this prop, which looks really, really cool. I think I mentioned this before. I just put some chains up there. Really looks awesome when you step back here and then have the purple light shining on it. So yeah, this guy turned out really, really good this year. A lot better than the previous version of him. So yeah, I'm still gonna probably decorate the guts a little bit more, but for the most part, this is what he's gonna look like, which is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and hang up this guy though. Alright, so I got these two guys up. This guy is kind of hanging off the ground on the string. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a spider web up here and kind of cover him with the spider web. I think it looks kind of cool, and it could kind of be why he's hanging off the ground, because he's stuck in the spider web or something. That's just an idea. This guy, I put him here every year, just in the corner this time, because I don't know if I'm going to put anything in this spot where the ladder is. I think we could just have someone who stays in here. Maybe that could be kind of a spot for an actor. This entire wall back here is kind of blank, but it's like that because you come right out of the tunnel and then you're supposed to turn, so it works out. In here, also put up this one, and we got a light going on. So the one prop that I'm not going to be putting up is that guy. I think I might put him outside or something like that. I just don't have any good place for him. So yeah, he'll be outside decoration. But this place is coming together pretty nicely. We got most of the props up. The only real big thing we need to do is get the fence all hooked up and get those curtains done. And then this thing should be pretty well done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the curtains and then we'll see what's next. Okay, so I got the curtains done and I'll go show you those right now. Oh yeah, also I put just a little body part right here, just for some decoration. So it's going to be very hard to see on camera, but there's curtains in here. Let me actually turn on the strobe light so we can see the full scene. And yeah, it's going to look like this. As you can see, I have a hand here and then a foot that I put on. They look really cool. Kind of looks... I'm trying to go for like an eerie atmosphere in this room. But yeah, I don't know if I did anything over here. I did put this light up, and this is where the PVC prop will go. I didn't actually finish it yet. I will finish it tomorrow. I just have to get a shirt for it. And then over here, this is basically going to be another blank wall, but again, another actor could just stand here, which is fine. So let's go back. I also set up the smoke machines. Well, only one of them, because I don't know where the other one's going to go. I can either put it in that scene or in the first scene. And then as you can see, I also got the fence hooked up. So we're basically all good to go. The haunt is nearly finished. That's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. So I might do a quick video tomorrow, which is the day before Halloween, because there's nothing else I really want to show in this video. I just want to put the video out there, and then yeah, I might have another smaller episode tomorrow. But other than that, let me just take a look around. Yeah, this scene is all good to go. Obviously, there's still a little bit of minor detail, like we need a curtain on the table. But this scene is all good. Everything is ready, and it's looking good for Halloween. So, yeah, that's it. I guess I'll see you guys on Halloween for the walkthrough. I'm going to be doing a couple walkthroughs. I might even be doing some videos on my other channel about Halloween too. But that's going to be it for this episode, guys. Make sure to stay tuned for Halloween and a potential tomorrow build vlog. But that's going to be it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on Halloween.